Real, raw, unfiltered.
Real, raw, unfiltered.
What are you familiar? It's your boy Taxi Png. We're back at it again with yet another one. I get asked this question a lot. Why did I start PNG Kulture? The reason I started PNG Kulture, well, let me start first. PNG stands for passion, no gatekeeping. Simply because I feel like the world of photography, videography, and content creation is oversaturated with gatekeepers and people who want, to hold all the knowledge for themselves. And I guess I would say for those who don't feel like knowledge is meant to be shared. And this all comes from the idea of people wanting to, keep all the money for themselves, or they feel like there's not enough money out there, or they have some forms of insecurities when it comes to the craft that they feel like they shouldn't or can't share it with others. And I feel like knowledge is meant to be shared and not gatekept, which is why I started PNG Kulture, passion with no gatekeeping, because I feel like a lot of people are more so money driven and not more so passion driven. There's not a lot of people who, start photography because of passion and allow that to carry them throughout their career, their journey, their hobby, however they want to utilize the art of photography, you know what I'm saying, or content creation, or even videography. A lot of people just start because they know they can make a bag with a camera. And they're like, oh yeah, boom, 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 I'm gonna do this bag, I'm gonna get this bag with this camera. But they don't look at it as they actually have a passion and they actually like to document things for people, or actually like to, elevate one's, self-confidence, you know what I'm saying, and really help people in ways that like you can't really explain, because a camera can really change your life. And at one point I wanted a camera really, really bad. I asked for one for Christmas. I didn't get it. I got so many different things that I did not want. And it was just like clothes. It was this, it was that. And I'm like, bro, I don't want all these things. I wear the same stuff. They gave me shoes. I don't want shoes. I want a camera. So the time came where I started selling candy at school, and I ended up getting enough money to be able to buy myself my own first camera. And that is when I started vlogging. That is when I began to actually be able to express myself and do it freely without feeling as if I had any shackles on me or anything holding me back. And then I began to want to learn more. So I went to YouTube University like we always would do, and like we all do. And I wanted to get deeper. So I started following certain creators and joining their mentorship programs. And what I got out of their mentorship programs wasn't what I feel like I should have got for the amount of money that I paid. So spending all this money on these programs and going through these little different things and not even actually getting to talk to the creator themselves and just kind of going through their team, or just going through a whole bunch of videos that like I guess helped, but like at the same time didn't really help me because YouTube did the same thing. So I thought, why not be that person that I needed at that point in time? Why not create a community of people that could be those persons for people like me at that time? I needed someone to be able to help me out because I did not have money like that to be giving up, bro. Like, to be giving up and not getting what I paid for back in return, to be trying to get some form of knowledge to elevate my journey and not being able to get it, and already not having enough money but spending that money to think that I'm going to learn something, which is why I started PNG Kulture. Passion, no gatekeeping. A lot of us struggle along our photography, videography, and content creation journeys, and we all need help. And a lot of us don't got bread. So it just makes sense for me to create a community that we can all help each other, and we all believe that knowledge is meant to be shared, not gatekept. So with that comes this shirt. I started a clothing brand, and with this drop, it says real, raw, and unfiltered. As you guys know, this is my saying. Real, raw, unfiltered literally just means to be your most authentic self, to not allow anyone, the algorithm, or any form of statistics to be casted on you and to make you act a specific way based on what they say you should or should not do. And I feel like that is just the best way to explain real, raw, and unfiltered. Like, you have to be yourself. A lot of us don't want to post because we see what other people post and we feel like we're not good enough, or we have imposter syndrome, or we're not adequate to even match up to the people that we're watching. A lot of us feel insecure about ourselves or feel like we don't talk correctly. I started off first, I didn't have good vocabulary at all. My vocabulary was very limited. So I literally had to teach myself how to get better vocabulary to be able to speak to more people. And this is being authentic, being yourself, like really taking that version of yourself and finding out how you can level up your XP, because this is a video game, bro. Look, I'm not gonna say we're in a simulation. Obviously, you only get one life, but experience, when you start experiencing more things, you get more XP points, and then your personal character will level up. I call this my surgical shooter. Like, I feel like I'm playing the surgical shooter game, where it's like every time I experience something, every time I have a new client, how good can I do to get them to come back? How good can I do to help someone else, you know what I'm saying, further their journey without wanting anything back in return? That's why I started PNG Culture. So obviously, yes, it is a free community for everybody to join. If you haven't joined already, please join down below. It's in the Discord community. But aside from that, I will be selling t-shirts that I will be making handmade, and they are very high quality. And I just keep it real with y'all. These blanks right here are 20 bucks. The blanks themselves. And I make them because I want them to be high quality. I wear these shirts every single day, and I could have used the Gildan or something way, like, you know, cheaper, but I want you guys to be able to really pick this shirt up, wash it, throw it around, dirty it, wash it again, and it really be able to still go back to the same form without you feeling like, oh man, I got cheated, or oh man, I gotta buy a new one, or oh man, you know what I'm saying, this wasn't quality. I want you guys to attach quality to PNG Culture because you are quality. So I want you guys in the best of the best quality. So as you guys can see, it has our new logo on the back. This right here is our little brain logo. As you can see, it's a brain and an SD card. So half of it is an SD card, half of it is a brain. The SD card and the brain both represent storage devices that we have as creatives, right? So a lot of us store memories in our brain, and a lot of us store memories on our SD cards. And based on how society makes us feel, is dependent on if we'll actually share the things that we have in our SD cards. Because you have a lot of ideas on your phone that you could create content about. You guys have a lot of ideas and things on your phones and on your hard drives that you're afraid to show to the world because you feel like people are going to judge you, or you feel like you don't know how it's going to come across. That's where Real Raw Unfiltered comes in. Is be yourself, no matter what you think others will feel, no matter what you think others will say, no matter what you think others will think. Be your most authentic self. And that's why the back of it, if you guys can see at the bottom left side, says, hold on, where is it at? It says, be the blueprint. Because I, as we all in PNG Culture believe, you are the blueprint. A lot of us don't know the next steps to take. We don't know. A lot of us don't know. And that's where being the blueprint comes in. It's like, you're not supposed to know what the next step is. You're not supposed to know where you're supposed to lay the next brick at, because you are creating the blueprint. You are creating the map. No one's probably ever done what you've done before. Maybe it's in your family, maybe it's in your industry, maybe it's a specific idea that you have that you haven't seen before. You're not gonna know the next step. You're not going to know the next step because you are the blueprint. You are building the blueprint for the people that are following behind you. And this is how I feel. I feel that I'm building something to be able to help all of those that are coming up as well, so we can all come up and grow together. This is PNG Culture. So that's just like a little intro of PNG Culture. If you guys want to pick up a shirt, I'm going to leave a link down below. They're very limited, so each drop will be very, very limited. It's going to be like 25 for this drop, and we're almost sold out already because I sent them out to the PNG Culture Discord community to allow them to order. But you guys will have one more, like a few more days from the time of this video to be able to order. And if it says sold out, I'm going to try to re-up or create a new batch of something different with a different, I want it to be very unique. I don't want every drop to be the exact same. I want every time to be different. I want each piece to be kind of like a collectible in a sense, to where you kind of want to have each one, and each time that we do a meetup, you guys will be able to wear the merch there. You guys will be able to like really feel like a real community, you know? And with all the proceeds to this, I know you guys are probably thinking like, oh damn, why are you selling shirts? Blah, blah, blah. You said free game. With the proceeds of this, if you guys have been seeing the workshops or staying up to date with them, this pays for those. So instead of you guys having to actually give me your money, this funds the travel, this funds the workshops, this funds all the videos, this funds everything that I do. Because if you guys don't know, I'll be real raw and filtered with y'all, I don't get paid from YouTube for real. Like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, literally the most I've gotten is like $100 in a month, and I post every single day, and y'all know that. And I don't do it for the money. That's why it doesn't really matter, because I don't do it for the money. I do it for the impact, and I do it to build this community. All right, I want to be able to impact and help as many people as possible before my last day here on earth. And the best way I've found to do that is these workshops. So this will fund the workshop, so I don't have to sell tickets for the workshop. Like, I don't want to have to sell tickets and then people feel like they can't come because they can't afford it. I want it to be open for everybody who is willing and wanting to learn and who has a community-based mindset. So anything If you guys want to, you know what I'm saying, between this and between the Patreon, the funds from both of those will go to funding these workshops. So I just had another workshop in New York City. I have a workshop coming up on August 22nd in New York City again. I just did North Carolina. So if you guys will be seeing these videos rolling out, this is just kind of letting you guys know, you know what I'm saying, that this is what it is, real, raw, unfiltered. So I'll be making these all on live each time that I do orders. I'll be making them on live. So I'll be doing live stream, and I'll be making them right here. Pressing them, cutting everything out, cutting the letters, putting on the shirt, packaging it, and shipping it off all on live. All right, you guys. So make sure you turn your notifications on. Make sure you join the Discord, and the link to the shirts will be down below. Until next time.
Finally get paid for the get down. You can't tell me shit now about time. Do you know how many lines I done put down? Vibes I done sent out, but we ain't here to dig. I'll up the market till they come red carpet the kids. Success still the target. Soon I'll be crossing that bridge, but can't bring everybody with me. Family only. I got some people think I owe a favor, barely know me. That's why my focus on the road. It's all I know. I see them sticking close to play the wall and watch my growth, cause I got something they never had. So get on the beat and I need a helipad. I float, I'm fly. You know where I'm from, so it comes as no surprise. I just out with a mean vernacular, dream spectacular. I keep a queen and passenger, FL capital Y. Anywhere I am, jam, that's for sure. Turn me on, better set the mood from the door. That's just how it go. Glad I've been keeping it playing so long. Out here in this world, I feel it ain't a place that I could roam. But ain't nothing like you when I'm at home. It ain't nothing like you when I'm at home.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
Passion, no gatekeeping. All right, I want to be able to impact and help as many people as possible before my last day here on earth.